Au revoir to France.
Au revoir.
What's Italian now?
We haven't got a clue now, guys.
Ciao is goodbye.
I'm pretty sure that was hello as well.
No, what is it? Hang on.
Was it buongiorno?
Lasagna.
Is it buongiorno? Hang on, 1 second.
What does Fire say?
I'm just going to remember with my Google memory. Ciao. I just remembered. With my Google memory.
I really haven't got a clue about any Italian apart from like.
Goodbye is arrivederci. We know that bit. So it's ciao to Italy. Italia.
Well, we're not there yet.
No, but that's where we're going. That's where we're going.
Yeah.
So where is it we're going, Mum?
We're going to
Italy.
a little place called Asti. My nana's favourite table drink, not for herself, but every time we go to my nana's, she always put a bottle of Asti on the table. And I don't know if you remember the vlog that we did in memory of my nana when she passed away. Me and my sister bought an Asti bottle. Well, obviously we drank the Asti, but we put lights in it, so we've kept those as our little memory of nana with her Asti bottle.
She was a hostess with a mostess.
She was a big fan of the Asti drink, so we were going to go to Turin. Is that, have I got it right?
That's right, yeah.
Turin,
as in the Turin breaks, the band.
Tunis, I went to Tunis before. So we were going to go all the way there, but it is going to start raining soon. So, and it's a big city, so I didn't want to trip on a big city in the rain. Again, we've done quite a lot of city type things. So we thought we'd go to Asti, which is a little bit smaller. Obviously, we can have a glass of Asti for my nana. Actually, the hotel that we booked has a free bottle of red wine. Which might be
So I'll have that as well.
We should have Asti there, shouldn't there?
It should, really.
Anyway, so yeah, so we're heading there. So it should be about 4 hours, I reckon. Maybe.
Well, 3.5, give or take half.
Sometimes you Google it and it'll say 5 hours, and then you Google it again, it'll say like 3 hours and 50 minutes.
I know, and I make your mind up here.
Yeah.
Just do it with traffic at the time of day that you're Googling it.
I reckon we'll be there by 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you put your foot down.
Yeah, so here we come, Italy.
I'm putting my foot down, sorry.
So here we come.
We're calling Teaser Columbus.
Yes, because he's a well-travelled doggy.
Yeah, I'm stuck in the middle of all these
There we go.
Had chicken for breakfast.
He did rotisserie chicken for breakfast. Spoiled, I say.
Well fed on this.
It's fine.
No, you're not a well-fed dog. He's got pan of chocolate there right now. There we go. Messy.
Can you believe him letting me eat that in the car?
So onwards, Italia, here we go. Welcome, ciao, to Hotel Lis. You know Liz, lovely. So this is our hotel room, and this is what we have. We've just literally arrived this second, so we just let Teaser off his lead. So we've got the double bed, which is down to this side over here, with a very, very large wardrobe on the side there, and a nice long mirror for Mum.
Nice.
She likes looking at herself in the mirror.
Teaser is looking at himself in there.
We've got bathroom to here. So we've got the shower unit, walk-in shower unit here, and then I've got the toilet here, and the sink, hair dryer on the wall as well, which is good, and a little makeup mirror. Look at that. Okay. And then round the corner we have 2 single beds with a cupboard in between, and we also have a selection of fruit, and more importantly, the bottle of wine, free bottle of wine which we've got.
I've also just noticed that we're in the same country that beat us in the World Cup.
Italy.
Did they?
Yeah. How do you not remember that one?
And then
I just know
we've got
the
the
Eurovision.
colour TV on the side there, and we've got a little Juliet balcony.
He was wondering where the big
How do we do them? Hang on, just 1 second.
I meant the Euros, by the way, not World Cup.
Yeah, can we just take them back? We just trap them in the door. There we go. Pull those across. There they go. There we go. I've got a little balcony out here. It's nice. You can see the city out here. We're going to go for a little roam. A little roam in Italy. Fun. There we go. Because we're bursting for an Asti. We'd find a bar with an Asti, but first off he's going to have a little run around. Because he's been very, very good in the back of the car, haven't you? He has. Behind us is a load of terrapins and a massive terrapin pool. I mean, loads. I wouldn't say hundreds, but certainly there's absolutely stacks. So we're in a park in the middle of Asti, which is the first destination we've come to in Italy. Probably the last destination we're going to come to in Italy, but it's rather nice and it reminds us of England because it's very autumnal and there's lots of these wonderful monuments and statues around, and as you find in some parks anyway. So just really, really nice. Although they've got their coats on, which we'll talk to you about in a couple of seconds time, I'm fine with my hoodie, to be honest. I'm fine with the hoodie, but let's hear their story. How do you feel with your coats?
Loving it. Look at us in our coats.
Holly.
Hold on, 50, 60, 70, 84.
I do need a new big coat though. This is like
1984.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's good enough. I said 85.
1984.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I do need a more substantial dog walking warm coat. This is a more nice looking in the town kind of coat. Not the warmest, but it's not that cold actually.
This is the warmest coat. This is the warmest coat and the warmest shoes. Got long trousers on as well. I'm so happy to just
Got in autumn wear.
Enthusiastic and excited for winter and autumn. Yeah. We're getting the transition from summer to autumn, autumn to winter.
We're having a very short transition from summer to winter actually.
I know. It's like
summer, winter, autumn, all in one.
No, summer, autumn, winter. Do you know you said?
I just said, didn't I?
No, you said summer, winter, autumn. Summer, autumn, winter.
We might have a mild winter, Holly.
Can I carry on?
No.
Cool. Been saying it feels like the suburbs of London, maybe like Hyde Park type thing all around here with all the traffic, but also a mixture of parkland area and city suburb. It's just more or less the same really. Obviously it's Italy. It is raining, but we are dodging the raindrops because of the wonderful tree cover that we've got, which is good. So we're just off to try and find somewhere that we can eat, have a glass of Asti, not Asti, that's something else, and see if Teaser can join us as well, which is quite nice. Got the Asti. It's an award.
Nana and Grandad, so used to always have this on the table for us every time we went round for a meal without fail. No, every time I come to speak it gets so yeah, lovely. But this is nice and chilled. Nana sometimes used to have to warm on the table. Really nice. Lovely.
This is so cosy. We're in a glass cabin outside this restaurant, and little did we know that Asti is actually a very big wine producing area itself, Asti. So they've got red wines, they've got white wines, they've got Asti, of course. So there's loads of different wines. So I'm going to go for a fruity regional red, so something we can actually do here, and also Mum's going to go for a white, dry white, which is produced in the local area, which we're absolutely can't wait to get our chops around. And this is just so cute, isn't it, Mum?
Can't move my specs on so I can read the menu. I can't actually see them, so it's very good. Helps
like a librarian secretary. Oh, hi there, can I help?
So we're going to look at the menu and select what we're going to eat. There's so much on the menu, I don't know what we're going to have. So I've got the gnocchi, which is there. Ben's got a wonderful steak and potatoes.
We're sharing an appetizer which is cooked in this like battery bread canoe. So there was 2 bigger ones and 2 little ones, so we're half really nice. It's like yeah, it's something, you know, that sort of, it's like prawn cocktail sauce, but creamy and really nice. Lemon sauce.
Still raining, so we are making our way back to the hotel. Back to the hotel. Back to the hotel. Back over yonder through the park, and hopefully the bar's going to be open so we can sit down. Or we're going to be upstairs. Keeping warm.
I love the colour now.
Breakfast time, and there's absolutely tons of stuff here. I mean, loads of cakes and delicacies, and there's hot food over in the top corner as well. But this, look at this. Look at that! Real honeycomb for your honey. Now, how cool is that? Well, it's a gorgeous morning, so gorgeous we thought we'd jump in a car and travel to our next destination, which is Switzerland. It is gorgeous.
There's the sun just shining down through the trees. Oh, we just go to sleep, stood up.
So we'll say ta-ta on this vlog, and we'll catch you in the next one. So ta-ta for now, bye!